In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to facebook.com. I'm on the older version of Facebook, but if you're on the newer version, that doesn't matter. Then you want to go to the page up here and you want to go to the settings. So hit settings. As you can see, here are all your settings of Facebook. So what you first want to change to make your account private is go to privacy, and you can basically change everything here to only me. So your activity, who can see your future post, friends, you can also change it to friends of friends or only me. So if you only want yourself to see your post, hit only me. It's also for the second and this one. It's review all your posts, so then you have to enable your tagged in review. So use activity log, just do this, and also limit the past post by hitting this button and then limit the past post. So that's what will make your account more private. As you can see, here is how people can find you and contact you. You can change this basically to friends or everyone. This one you can change to only friends of friends, except friends or only me. And this one, the last one, is also very important. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link your profile? Then you want to edit this and hit no. You want to untick this. Then you can turn it off by hitting turn off, and then no one can find you by the search engines such as Google. This you can also change to friends or only me if you want to make your Facebook account private. So then we're done in the privacy tab. Then we head over to the timeline and tagging tab over here. So when you go to timeline and tagging, you can also change the timeline. So as you can see, for me it's friends, friends, friends of friends, and friends. But you can change it basically to anything like only me or friends. I leave it on friends. You can change this one to only me, this one. Allow others to share your post. You can turn this off, then nobody can share your story. Hide comments, you can turn hide comments on. And the review, you have to turn these to review on, because then they are going to ask you every time when something comes on your timeline to review it if you really want it. So if you want to make it completely private, also enable this. So then we are also done in the timeline and tagging tab, and then we head over to the public post. So now we're in the public post tab, and as you can see, who can follow me. So you can change it to public or friends. I changed it to friends because I don't want anyone to follow me. And also change the public post comment. You can change it to friends or friends of friends. This you can also change to friends of friends of friends. This one as well. And the comment ranking, this is just, you can leave these three. So just change it to nobody or friends of friends. And these are unimportant. So what you then want to do, you want to go to face recognition, because by default, Facebook enables the face recognition. And if you don't want Facebook to recognize your face on other photos, you can edit this and simply hit no. So then we're done in the settings tab. And what you then want to do, you want to go to your profile and go to your about page over here. So hit about, go to contact and basic info. And as you can see, this is private. People can see this. And if you want to make this private, this is public and people can see this. And if you want to make it private, hit edit and hit as you can see, I already made this only me, but by default this is friends and sometimes public. So you definitely want to change it to only me. So this is basically how you have to make your Facebook account completely private, so nobody can actually search it, and the only one who is controlled are you. So if this video helped you out to make your Facebook account completely private, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.